Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a clean path for sound. Make sure the AirPods and case have charge, open the lid and watch the battery pop up. Then clean the meshes carefully with a soft, dry brush. Debris muffles highs. Once done, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect explicitly to your primary device. This forces a fresh audio handshake. You do this because connection errors and grime are the two fastest causes of poor sound, so remove them first. Now you tackle software and fit, which often hide as subtle culprits. First, force a firmware update by pairing and keeping AirPods near your iPhone with internet access. Firmware can improve codecs and noise handling. Next, inspect your device EQ, volume limit, and sound check. Disable any processing that flattens dynamics. For fit, change ear tips or reposition until bass and clarity stabilize. Then run a left/right balance check. Finally, you complete the fix with a reset and a clean isolation test. Put AirPods in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair. This clears persistent config errors. Then test audio with a second device and with wired headphones to determine if the problem is the original device or the AirPods themselves. If issues persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics or a hardware inspection. One key tip: document the steps you tried before you call. It speeds up the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.